Good morning, students. Welcome to Science Review Program. Today, we are going to write Lesson 3 Fiber to Fabric. Already, while teaching this lesson, I ask you to complete book exercise. Let us check answer now. Okay. Exercise number 1, page number 24. Classify the following fibers as natural or synthetic: nylon, wool, cotton, silk, polyester, jute. Nylon and polyester comes under synthetic fiber. Wool, cotton, silk, jute are natural fibers. Use pencil to write answer. You can use a empty space in page number 25. Second exercise, state whether the following statements are true or false. Just see the PPT. I have given answer for all the true or false. Okay, I'll read one by one. Yarn is made from fibers. That is true. Spinning is a process of making fibers. So spinning is not a process of making fiber, right? So that is false. Jute is the outer covering of coconut. Jute is not the outer covering, it is false. Coir is the outer covering of coconut. The process of removing seed from cotton is called ginning. That is true. Weaving of yarn makes a piece of fabric. True. Silk fiber is obtained from the stem of a plant. False. Silk fiber we get from animal. Polyester is a natural fiber. Polyester is a synthetic fiber, so the answer is false. Go through the PPT, you can get the answer, check it out. Then exercise 3, filling the blanks. Plant fibers are obtained from cotton and jute. Animal fibers are dash and dash. Animal fibers are silk and wool. Okay, question 4. From which parts of the plant cotton and jute are obtained? Cotton from cotton balls, that is from the fruit of the plant. Jute from the stem of the plant. So you can write cotton and put a small hyphen, write cotton balls. Inside the bracket you can write fruit. Then down you can write jute, put small hyphen and then write stem. Even in the book itself you can write the answer. Then fifth question, name 2 items that are made from coconut fiber. Ropes, mats. You can write some other examples also. Then sixth question, explain the process of making yarn from fiber. You can use the empty space in page number 25. Go through the PPT. I have given answer. You can write in your own words. Okay, yarns are made up of thin strands called fibers. Then the process of making yarn from fiber is called spinning. In this process, a mass of cotton wool are drawn out and twisted. This brings the fibers together to form a yarn. So this is the answer for this sixth question. You can use the empty space in page number 25. Write question number 6. Okay, and then write the answer in the book itself. No need to write in any notebook. So we have completed the book exercise. Next, take classwork note. Okay, I hope you have completed lesson 2 components of food. Okay, those who didn't complete it and send email immediately. We teachers are having the name list with us and we are checking the names of students, those who are completed the work. So don't forget to send mail. Now take new page, write the lesson number in the center, first blue line with black stick pen. In the next line, write the lesson heading. Okay, put lesson number 3, fiber to fabric. First, we are going to write the definitions. Write heading, definition in the left side. Fiber. First one is fiber. Refer page number 16. Thinner strands of thread are called fibers. You can see PPT also and you can write the answer. Next, natural fiber. Refer page number 19. Okay, and write about natural fiber. The fibers that are obtained from plants and animals are called natural fibers. Next, synthetic fibers. Synthetic fibers that are not obtained from plants or animal sources, these are called synthetic fibers. Next, about ginning, spinning, weaving, knitting. Okay, so everything I have given the answer in the PPT. The content part I have given in the PPT. Just go through the PPT and write the answer for these definitions. Then we are going to write next Steps involved in the preparation of fabric. So this is the heading. Use black stick pens to write the heading. While writing definitions also, the heading should be in black stick pen. Fiber, natural fiber, synthetic fiber, ginning, spinning, weaving, knitting. These are all headings. This should be in black color. Okay, now steps involved in the preparation of fabric. This heading should be in black color. Okay, start to write with blue pen now. The following steps are involved in the preparation of fabrics. First one, obtaining fiber. Then preparation of yarn from fibers by spinning. Then the third step, when two sets of yarn are involved, yarns are woven on looms to make a fabric. When a single yarn is used, the fabric is prepared by knitting. So these are all the steps involved in preparation of fabric. Next, I have given the flow chart. See the PPT, I have given the flow chart how we are making fiber to fabric. First cotton rolls, the next process is fiber, that is ginning, and after ginning the next process is spinning, making yarn, and after making yarn, if we are weaving with two sets of yarn, then that is weaving. With single yarn, then that is called knitting. After this process, we'll get a fabric. So this is the flow chart I have given. Go through the PPT, write as such what I have given in the PPT in the classwork note. Okay, understood children? Read book carefully to answer one-word questions in exams. Use black stick pen to write headings and blue ink pen to write content part. Take photos clearly so that I can correct mistakes in your notebook. Complete the given work as soon as possible and send it in mail. Our school mail ID edustar.6@gmail.com. Bye.